2015.
Yeah, it's been 4 years. I think.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
So we started with making some recycled products.
Okay.
In the beginning, we used to do marbling.
Okay.
That was the starting time.
Okay.
And we make some recycled lamps with bottles and marble sheets.
Nice. Okay.
And
So we upcycled them, and then one fine day made it in the house. Couple of friends saw it. They also wanted it. Made it for them. That's how Rangreli was born.
Fantastic.
And before we knew, we did our first Soul Sante. So yeah, okay. Wow. So you
First
guys.
Soul Sante was all out of recycled bottles only. I discovered marbling through a couple of videos on YouTube and Facebook, and immediately wanted to try it.
Wow. Okay.
And it was perfect. It was so satisfying to see, and even more satisfying to do it yourself.
Right.
So yeah, that was the beginning of marbling.
We are still learning. I think marbling as an art, it goes back to ancient ages. It's called Ebru in Turkey. It's also popular in Arabian books where a lot of Qurans and all have marbled book binds. Wow. In Japan, it's called sumigashi. So it's popular across the globe in various names, various art forms.
Watercolor, actually, I was very afraid of watercolors. But then I started doing it, and with a little bit of practice, I was into painting fauna and flora. That's it. I can't paint a portrait, but I started painting fauna and flora. That's it. Yeah.
So naturally, on the products, she wanted to try it. One day when I was back home, she was like, "See what I have made." I said, "This is brilliant. This is a new category addition for us." So that's how it actually started. So this is my favorite corner. So there are a lot of components here. One is this chair, the high-rise chair, which I specially got for myself. Resembles the art that we do a lot. Goes with the backdrop. That was a coincidence, nothing else. But the best part about it is it faces the balcony, the tree line outside, which in itself is very beautiful. And there are birds. This is a small bird house. Lots of birds come in. This is the squirrel house. The squirrel come in this. So this is our small little garden. Lots of succulents, and you'll see here there's a lot of things that we try and recycle. So we got hold of a tire, and we just converted that into a planter there. So coming back to the corner, this is one of the first products that we created. It's a shelf lamp, again with marbling, and this is a painting which Kumarika has done. Plus, a couple of planters to just showcase the wall. So this is by far the coziest corner that I have. This is our small workshop. You'll find lots of stuff here. This is the new lamp that we're trying out. New size lamp that's there. All stocks. I think you'll find a lot of machine tools which we tried out earlier, and various lampshades. These are the new ones. We'll paint them, and we'll have the new lot ready. Yeah.
I like portraiture, and my favorite mediums are oil colors, pastels, and charcoal. And I feel art is nothing complicated. You don't need to understand it. You just have to feel it. You should like it. It should give pleasure to your eyes, mind, and soul.
Yeah, I kind of got this need to do art more than anything else. And when I saw marbling, etc., all these art forms, I felt like this is my nirvana. This is what I have to do. Music is a passion. but this is what I have to do after coming back home every single day. And even when I see her do paintings, etc., it's so rejuvenating. It's relaxing. It's beautiful. One thing which we typically liked for Zwende was you don't have to make stuff. Uh, Whatever artworks are there get digitized in a sense, and the customer is happy to select whatever they want. So we can only make the artwork that the customer actually liked. He's seen it, rather than him giving a customer her giving a customized order on something which he's not even seen it. So that is one of the advantages. Second advantage that I feel is clearly in terms of having stock. We can plan much more better in terms of what kind of raw materials we need, what kind of lampshades do we require, do we require more fabric ones, do we require more paper, in which product do we need to invest more to be able to service the customer better. So I think from all of these standpoints, it's become very evident that Zwende is kind of a excellent place for us to be in.